If you'd like to disable the Google Assistant on your OnePlus Watch 4, all you have to do is go to settings. So from the watch face, simply swipe down from the top to access the control center and tap on settings. And then within the settings, simply scroll down to the bottom and select other. And then scroll down until you find Google right here. Tap on it. And then simply select Google Assistant. And then from here, you can simply find all the options that are currently available. Now to disable it, simply scroll down to the bottom and then you should see turn off Gemini. So depending on which assistant you have, it can be Google Assistant or Gemini. So select turn off. And then you should see this warning. When turn off, you won't be able to use Gemini and all the other information. So all you have to do is select turn off, and that will disable the Google Assistant on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.